In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the difference between field installable connectors. So the real difference in the silica world, it's the size of the connector and what you have to do as far as prepping the connector so you get a good termination that's clean and free of any defects. In plastic fiber, it's such a large core, a lot of those variances can go away because of that. So on your standard legacy connectors on the silica side, they manufacture special connectors that have gel filled, and that way you can just cleave your fiber, the gel's doing the interface, and you can do a very good termination in the field. The problem is that a simple field termination connector is very costly. On the other hand, when we start talking about plastic fiber optics, the connectors are very low cost. So almost any of our connectors you can field terminate at a very low cost. So let's just do one to give you an idea how easy it is to field terminate something, and you can get an idea. So in the standard, something like this, you will take whatever fiber you're working with. Most of the time it has a standard 2.2 millimeter jacket and a 1 millimeter port. We have a very low cost solutions, which are these razor cutters that you can finish a fiber. You can strip the jacketing off on that fiber. And then you can also put on one of these crimpless style connectors over the top in under a minute. So this is the real difference between these two, and that's the one point that if you're looking at the overall picture of a project and you look at that there's probably going to be damage, that it's a short length type of application, maybe you should really look at